Hello there, tribe. This is Valerie White-Williams, and I am live streaming tonight because I've been busy all week. And what I'm going to talk to you about is, has anyone told you you were tone deaf? Unfortunately, this is something I've heard from so many singers. And of course, the reality TV shows haven't made it any better because they love to mock singers and go, oh my goodness, you're tone deaf, you can't recognize pitch. So I have worked with so many singers, and this idea of tone deafness needs to be talked about. So I have found when I've worked with students who don't know how to match pitch, which is really what it is they haven't learned how to do it, people have told them they are tone deaf and they just kind of give up. So when I have students that have this self-concept, it's almost like they think the pitch is out there and they're going to throw a dart at it. Like it's a dartboard and you're going to try, okay, I'm just going to make a big guess. You're going to throw a dart at the pitch. And of course, that never works. The pitch isn't out there. The pitch is in here. And so when I work with students like that, I help them find the pitch inside themselves, and then they can release that pitch. So they find the vibration inside, and then they can learn to feel the vibration to match the pitch. I have not yet ever had a student come to me that couldn't learn this. Now, the big issue is once you've been told that you're tone deaf, then people tend to shut down. They shut down the ability and they don't try. And again, they try and throw the dart and they hope it works. Oh, it didn't work. I guess I can't sing in tune. Because most people can learn to hear. Now, if you were really tone deaf, you couldn't tell the difference between a high and a low note. I often do tests with my singers, and if they can hear this is high, this is low, then they're not tone deaf. Science says like 1% of the population has what they call amusia. I think I'm saying that correct. But so much more people think they're tone deaf than that. It's a large population because most people haven't been taught how to match pitch. It is an easy thing to do. The other issue I found with a lot of people that have struggled to match pitch is they tend to have voices that sit a little lower than everybody else. And I've worked with a group of 5-year-olds, and I had the similar situation. There was one of the 5-year-olds that had a lower voice, and she struggled to match pitch more than the other kids because her voice just sat in a lower register. And I've seen that again and again and again, because oftentimes when we do group sing-alongs, we sing happy birthday, or we sing Christmas carols and things, the high notes for a low voice person become more difficult. And then they think, well, I can't hit the high note, I can't do it, I can't do it. Now, truth be told, they can learn to do it, and they can learn how it feels. But the high note is going to feel much higher for a low voice person than the high voice person, because voices are so unique and so individual. So if you were told you were tone deaf and you've given up singing because, oh, I can never match pitch and people make fun of me, just realize it is a skill like anything else. It's a skill you can learn with a teacher that can coach you on how it feels. Singing is a feeling. And that's why the really good singers make it look easy, because they've trained themselves to feel the feeling of how it feels right. We're all vibration. We all feel the vibration, and it's learning to tune within and feel the vibration. Then you'll be able to match pitch. It's an easy process if you can stay with it and focus on it, and then you can learn. Everyone can do it. We don't tell people they can't read and you're not a good reader, so let someone else read. Or, oh, you can't run. Running is for this other person. You're a bad runner, so don't run. No, none of those things are correct and fair. We all can sing. We can learn how to match pitch, and it's just about practicing. So if you're interested in learning more, please let me know. Send me a private message, but I'd love to encourage you to realize that you can build the skill to sing, and you just need some guidance or help. So let me know what you think, and I look forward to making more live stream videos for you. And I'm still learning because I tend to want to look at my live screen and I need to look at the dot. So hopefully sooner, I'm looking now right at the dot, and I will get better making live streams for you guys. All right, love you so much. I'm glad to be back from my trip, and I will see you very soon. All right, take care. Bye.